Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video, David. And guess what? Today we are going to do Operation Zoo Cleanup. Again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay, so that's where we're gonna meet, on the other side of the lake. Let's go. The iconic fountain. The park looks like pretty clean. Let's see what we're gonna find out. Beautiful iconic park right here in Joburg. Very safe to walk. You can see. Do that. Learn how to do that. Okay. Go for it, guys.
To council for the use of the park and these facilities. So it will always remain around the beautification that was done in total by Zulu Municipality. To my right, your left, they are situated there. So I have a couple of copies of excellent copies.
Okay, so they're gonna start planting 121 trees because of the 121 years of the park done this year, guys. So cool stuff. I don't know if you guys can see, but on the grass it says 121, eh? Yeah, interesting. Okay guys, so the cleaning operations actually started at 8:30 this morning. It's already 10:30, so the people behind me are gonna fetch the rest that is out there to fetch. So let's do this. So you can see that most of the park is actually kept privately by associations like this. You can see people already moving, start doing the cleanup, see what they can fetch. You can see more people on that side there, bags and stuff. Seems like they're building now this new passage, and I've noticed that they also have been like planting all these new trees. Interesting. Small things that make the difference. I told you guys that this... look at this. Pretty good. And you can make also a cool morning, but just by collecting and helping your community. Collecting garbage, of course. There you go, guys. Stunning view. There you go. Little stuff to fetch. There's some teamwork going on here. Thanks guys for coming today.
Thank you.
Look at the stuff.
Yeah, I should have done it in the bushes.
Same. How much do you have there? Sure. Oh well, there we go. A local hero. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. You see the little ones there? That's how you start. Teaching them to save the environment. Experience there that you guys can do. Bring your kids, go for a boat ride. Different. Sure, little ones. That's how you start educating them. Okay, some people are actually going deep, eh? Look at that. Well done, guys. Well done. Cleaning the dustbins. Some family fun. I think we kind of need to normalize these type of things, you know, doing every weekend, guys. Not okay, guys. See if we can fix that bench. Something. It's like some people like literally living under the bridge. At least they have a view. Okay guys, so that situation there, I was speaking out to a gentleman. He actually told me there's actually big problems with human rights lawyers, so they can't really remove them under the bridge. This is like pathetic, really. There you go. How amazing is this, guys? How amazing is this, everyone, for one cause?
We are here today to support Zule and to clean up and to maintain the park in a nice condition.
Thank you so much, appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
See? Just don't litter, guys, please, because there are people working. Oh, you guys are doing very well. Thank you so much. Look at those bags all full. Oh, wow. See, guys, everyone is using that equipment, like the gloves and all that. You see? Yeah. Shame, that's priceless. Look at that. That's good parents teaching their kids how to do it. There you go, you see? Oh, for all ages. Okay, the tree is already symbolizing the change of the season. Beautiful, eh? Look at those colors. That beautiful bin already there with a new bag. Guys, I'm telling the effort to maintain this park, you know, it's private and public and everyone coming together. And we have probably one of the most beautiful parks in South Africa and also in Africa. There you go. There you go. Thank you so much, guys, for coming today. Thank you so much for coming today, guys.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah, these ones are exported. Like the other ones are bigger and grey.
They don't come into.
Yeah, and those.
Another family doing the difference. Well done, guys. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for coming today. Why are you guys here? Would you like to talk for the camera?
Hello, how's it going?
And why are you guys here today?
To help clean up the lake.
Perfect. Thank you very much for the hard work.
Oh,
Real
okay.
appreciate it. It's already my second round. You see? That's how you do it. Sometime in family. See, all these trees were now planted now very recently. And yeah. So why are you guys here today?
I believe public spaces are very important, especially in our city where people have very little access to public spaces. So looking after our public spaces, cleaning them, making them beautiful and enjoying them is important.
Thank you so much. And there you go.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Thank you. Check that awesome ecosystem there, that small little island. Yep. Can see you guys have been working hard, eh? Look at that amount. All done. Oh my god, look, a Loch Ness monster. Hey guys, that's for the ducks, not for you. See, also there is a playground for the kids to play. See new trees being planted. Some more there. See guys, more people. So check this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. We did already almost 4 kilometers, 4 spins. So guess what? This was all the garbage collected. Amazing. Okay guys, there you go, the work is done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming. If that was the case, again guys, make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button. And I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.